Chapter 1. Computer System. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. We already know that we can use a computer to listen to music, play games, write letters, draw pictures, etc. In the previous class, you have learned the usage of computer in different fields. There is usage of computer in almost every sphere of life. Types of computers. Computer comes in many shapes and sizes, and they perform many different functions in our daily lives. A computer can broadly be classified into the following types. Desktop computers. Desktop computers are designed to be placed on a desk, and they are typically made up of a few different parts, including the CPU case, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. They are mostly used at offices, home, and schools, and are also known as personal computer or PC. Laptop computers. The second type of computer is a laptop computer, commonly called as laptop. It is small, portable computer, small enough that it can sit on your lap. Laptops are battery-powered computers that are more portable than desktops, allowing you to use them almost anywhere. Fact bit. Nowadays, laptop computers are more frequently called notebook computers. Tablet computers. Tablet computers or tablets are handheld computers that are even more portable than laptops. Instead of a keyboard and mouse, tablets use a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigation. iPad is an example of a tablet. Working of a computer. Every computer goes through IPO cycle, input, processing, output cycle. The process of a computer can be divided into these three stages. Input. Input is the raw data entered into a computer from the input devices. It is the collection of numbers, letters, images, etc. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, webcam, etc. are some examples of the input devices. Process. Process is the operation of data or information as per given instructions. It is the internal activity of the computer system. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the main processing device of the computer. Fact bit. GIGO stands for garbage in, garbage out. It means if you give waste input, you will get waste output. Output. Output is the result of processed data given by the computer. We can save these results in the storage devices for future use. Monitor, printer, speakers are the main output devices. Input, process, output. For example, preparing a pizza can be classified into three stages. Input, pizza base with toppings. Process, bake pizza in microwave. Output, hot yummy pizza. Parts of a computer. A computer has four main parts which helps in performing IPO cycle. Keyboard. The computer keyboard has many keys on it. You can type or enter data by pressing various keys on the keyboard. Mouse. A computer mouse is used to move the arrow or the mouse pointer on the computer screen. A mouse helps us point and select things on the monitor. You can enter or input data by clicking the mouse. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is called the brain of a computer. CPU is responsible for processing the data given by the user. The process of changing the entered data into meaningful information is known as processing. CPU is made up of three main parts: They are Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU. All the calculations in a computer are done by ALU. Control Unit, CU. It controls the working of all the parts of a computer. Memory Unit, MU. CPU stores all the data and instructions that need to be processed in the memory unit. Monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. The actions that you perform using a mouse or a keyboard are displayed on the monitor. You can also view pictures and cartoons using the monitor. Monitor is also known as VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. There can be 3 types of monitors. Cathode ray tube, CRT monitors. CRT monitors are bigger in size and consume a lot of power. Liquid crystal display, LCD monitors. It is a flat type of monitor that consumes less power than CRT. Liquid emitting diode, LED monitors. These monitors are thinner and lighter in weight. LED monitors use less power than LCDs. Characteristics of computer. A computer has many different characteristics. Based on these characteristics, a computer is classified into different categories or are of different types as well. Advantages of computer. Speed. Computer performs complex calculations at a very high speed. It works very fast. Reliability. Computers do not make mistakes, which makes them reliable. Storage. A large amount of data can be stored in a computer's memory. Versatility. Computer is a versatile device. It can perform a variety of tasks and is used almost in all fields. Accuracy. A computer is very accurate if the data entered into the computer is correct, so it gives the results accurately. Diligence. A computer is capable of performing the required task repetitively without affecting its speed, accuracy, and efficiency. It does not get tired. Multitasking. A computer can perform many tasks at a time. Fact bit. Charles Babbage is considered the father of computer. Disadvantages of computer. A computer is a useful thing which has made life easy. But it has some disadvantages as well. Zero IQ. A computer does not have an IQ or its own intelligence. By mistake, if the data entered is incorrect, it gives wrong output. Lack of decision-making power. Computer cannot take decision on its own. It is dependent on the user for decision-making. Security issues. With the usage of internet, a lot of security problems are being faced. For example, data theft, virus attack, etc. Health issues. Working on a computer requires a lot of sitting and repetitive moments, which lead to health issues like obesity, wrist injuries, strain on eyes, etc. Lessons sum up. A computer is a very useful electronic machine that works according to the instructions given by us. Computers are used at many places like home, schools, banks, offices, hospitals, and for scientific research. Types of computers are desktop, laptop, tablet. A computer works by taking input, processing it, and giving the output. This is known as input, process, output, IPO cycle. CPU is responsible for processing the data given by the user. CPU is made up of 3 main parts: ALU, CU, and MU. The input device is used to receive data or instructions from the user. The output device is used to display the results of processing.